Welcome to our guide on setting up the perfect gaming headset for your phone. Let's dive into the benefits of high-quality audio. Before you begin, it's crucial to ensure that your phone is compatible with the headset you choose. Now, let's talk about wired versus wireless options. Which one is right for you? Setting up your headset is simple. Here's how to connect it via Bluetooth or the audio jack. To maximize sound quality, let's adjust the audio settings on your phone. Proper microphone setup ensures clear communication. Let's position and test it. Optimizing in-game audio can really enhance your experience. Let's explore game-specific settings. Sometimes you might encounter connectivity or sound problems. Here's how to troubleshoot them. Looking for the best gaming headsets? Here are some brands and models we recommend. Now you're all set to sound like a pro with your mobile gaming headset. Happy gaming!